This is an attempt to record me practicing. I don't have any practice structure. I work at different things daily. Sometimes I concentrate on finger style. Sometimes I concentrate on chord shapes. I have a couple of songs I'm working on, and each one of the songs there is a real tripping spot for me. This song that I'm working on right now, I think this one is called Four Strong Winds. But in the intro, there is some fancier work that has to be done. So the intro has this little thing in it. That's a hammer on there in the G. It doesn't come across very well without a pick, and I'm just learning to do it, but it's... So it's... I can do these chord shapes so long as I'm not under time pressure to fit them into a song. But as soon as I put time pressure on them, it gets pretty rough. Then there's this fun part with the G on the intro that I've been working on.